To mention some of the industries in various sectors are, the first one we all know is LOT, Polish Airlines, and the other things are like Assesco is a IT-based company which provides software solutions to different industries, different domains like healthcare, hospitality, engineering services, banking. So they provide their software technology, and they provide IT services to different domains. The other thing to mention is CCC. It is a well-known footwear company, and the CD Projekt. CD Projekt is a popular video game developer. It is a well-established market in Poland as well as international market. And we have Amica. Amica is a manufacturer in household appliances like refrigerator, vessels, and other components, kitchen components. So the market is really great here in Poland as far as I see. So a lot of innovations and development and adaptations has been taken forward by the country. So it is really a good choice for you to consider moving in here and studying international courses. Yeah, thank you.